So in this town of Locle, we will visit the locations of Mont Blanc, Tissot, Rolex, maybe, if I think they're not around anymore, but the building is still there, so we'll see if there's still the Rolex branding. We'll see Zenith and also Tudor, which is a part that it belongs to Rolex. So here we have the signs that say Tissot and Mont Blanc. So both cities are also home to many other brands that don't necessarily make all the watches, but they just make parts like movements, etc. for other watchmakers. So here we are at Mont Blanc. Let's try to park up somewhere here for the meanwhile, in front of this garage. You can see the little flags here. I don't know if we can see the building. Maybe I'll try to go from the top. Yeah, let's get back on the bike and I'll show you maybe from the top. It looks like there's some repair going on the building. So here is the entry to Mont Blanc. Sadly, it is there's security behind me. Let's see. So here we are in front of Tissot and Mont Blanc, where we have a cute little cat that is actually hunting something at the moment. Let's see. Psst, 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 psst. Ooh, he's friendly. Hey, buddy. Alright, I'll let you hunt. So, here is the building of Mont Blanc, which is more known for its pens. So Mont Blanc was founded in 1906, and they only started making watches in 1997. That's when they released their first watch. So now we're gonna move straight to Tissot, which is right here. So this is the old building with the old writing, and all the way back there is the newer factory. So Tissot was founded in Locle, so the city we are in right now, in 1853 by Charles Félicien Tissot and his son Charles Émilien Tissot. Alright, so let's leave Tissot and Mont Blanc alone, and the cat too, which I will call Garfield because he is almost the same color as Garfield, and also 69. Nice. So now we are headed to Ulysse Nardin, and we're taking this cool paved road. I don't know if it's called like that in English, but you see these little cobblestones, I think it is. So it's one of the last ones around here. They're slowly eating it up. It used to go a bit further down, and now where there's holes, they just patch it up with the black stuff, sadly. So here to our right should be Ulysse Nardin. They make all of these funky little things here. Ah, yes, perfect. It's a little spot right here for me. Ulysse Nardin was founded in 1846 by, you guessed it, Ulysse Nardin in Locle. They were known for their marine chronometers that were used by about 50 navies around the world. Excuse these mopeds. So used around the world by about 50 navies from the 19th century to about 1950. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, so our next stop will be Zenith. That should be around here somewhere, if I remember correctly. Let's see, yes. Here we have a sign, and here is the factory. Perfect, let's just park up right in front of it. So, Zenith was founded in 1865 by George Favre-Jacot in Locle, so again the town that we're in here. And this is also like Patek Philippe, it is one of the oldest continuously operating watchmakers. Before being named Zenith, it was named after its founder, so Georges Favre-Jacot and Co. And after it was awarded the Grand Prix for their Zenith movement, that's when they renamed it to Zenith in 1911. Okay, so moving on to the last of the watchmakers that I wanted to show you, which will be Rolex and Tudor, which belongs to Rolex. Here we have another factory Reba watch. Like I said, there's also other watchmakers and things like that that I might not get into. So here on the left we have what is left of the Rolex factory. They moved out a few years ago now and made place for Tudor. So this is the side of the Rolex factory. We can see what's left of the logo of the imprint. So like I said, Rolex left Le Locle about 2 years ago now, making place to this big new factory of Tudor, which belongs to them. So Rolex was founded in 1905. It was known as Wildorf and Davis before it was called Rolex. So it was founded by Hans Wildorf and Alfred Davis in London, and it became known as Rolex in 1915. This factory in Locle was implanted here in 1970 till about so a few years back till about 2020, and that's when they left to go to centralize more of this stuff in Bienne. So this place had a special place in my heart because this is where I used to come walk with my grandmother to come see a fish in a pond that was located right in front here, which is now apparently gone. I haven't been back here in ages, but it's gone and it's made place to a parking lot to the new Tudor factory. So Tudor was founded in 1926 by Hans Wildorf, so one of the owners of Rolex. So Tudor is basically the sister company to Rolex. So as you can see, Tudor is a very large building here. And there's another part of it that it belongs to Tennessee. So this is going to end today's watch factory location tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.